Yeah, so hi guys. It's been long and dropped video on my channel, and just want to take this time to drop a video just to let you guys know what is happening. A lot of people really want to know what to do next, and I keep dropping a lot of levels, but I would prefer making a short video to explain to you guys. So before further ado, let's dive right straight into the chat. Okay. So what you can see on my screen here is ApeCoin. We'll get back to that shortly. I dropped this chat on my Signal channel. If you are on my Signal channel, you should be in a whole cool lot of profit because we had a lot of good, nice short setup. So if you are on my Signal channel, this is a very good setup. And if you're not on my Signal channel, you can check the description below to join, okay? So let's talk about BTC. I have a lot of previous chats which I've had in the past set up. And like I said, I don't force myself to say, okay, let me just open a long position. Okay, yes, it will start going up. What I do is try to understand what the market is telling you. If you don't get any positive signal, any good signal telling you, okay, this might likely be a level where you should be buying, you shouldn't take that risk. And more importantly, I take very close look at the Ichimoku. And I told you guys, one thing I told you guys is that whenever you see this green EMA you've seen here, whenever I see it above the cloud and above the cloud, and above the price, then it's telling you that, okay, whatever you want to do, you can go long. But whenever you see it has changed, moving from the upside, going to the downside, below the cloud and below the price, then that is a negative signal for you to stay. Just don't be in the market. If you want to short the market, fine. So what we've seen here is the same thing. A lot of setup here is telling us the market will still continue to push lower. And you can see it here, it's very clear here. We had this bearish ticket cross. Future cloud is bearish. And this is the Kumo bearish twist. This is the Chiku span moved below every other metrics. And you can see it's going down. So I had previous chart on this. Let me see if I can share that with you guys. Let me see. I dropped this on my Signal channel, and okay, let me see if I can share that with you guys. Okay, let me see. Okay, so this is my Signal channel. So what you can see here is the BTC USD chart, which I've dropped for some time now when BTC was still around slightly a little bit above 39K, let's just say for $40,000 US. So yeah, and the whole target was that what you're seeing here is more like an ascending channel, just like the previous one there. So it's very important we understand that there will be a lot of rejection, but when price continue to lean at one particular level, there's high probability it's going to go down that level. So so this was the previous chart. So let's go back to this. So now what is happening now? So you can see this is the current chart now. So you can see price has actually tested different levels here, 1, 2, 3. So what are we expecting? What do you think will likely play out? So the major picture here, the full picture, the full chart here. Let me use the 3 days time frame so that I can expand it and show you guys. You know, one thing about me is I love trading the levels. I love trading levels. Levels make me understand what the market is telling me. We are still in between this big range. We're still in between this big range here. So anything inside this big range is not something you should consider that, okay, let me go totally long. So you can play the short, you can play the long within this range. So we're still looking at price, high probability price will come to this level here, which is 29,659. But you know, anything can happen. Any news can just come out and just take price back up. So let's look at this. Let me remove this. So currently, I also had this chart too, where I pointed out different levels. Don't mind me. I love levels. They give me those perfect place to buy, to sell, to short, to long. So we have this rejection week where price is at now. We'll have this again, but if price violates these two levels, then we might be pushing lower to this level. Yes, you expect the unexpected. Like I said, anything can happen. You just need to take advantage of the market. So every other indicator is telling you that, okay, price is bearish for now. What the best thing for you to do is enjoy the bearish market. If you want to buy some of those coins which you have been longing to buy, to hold for long term, then this is the opportunity to buy them. I don't want to talk too much on BTC. Tomorrow I'm going to update that so that you guys will see what is happening. But currently we're still facing this support here. We're still facing this support here, which is very important. This support. So after this support, price will likely test this level. So you should expect that. You should expect that. So let's look at ETH. ETH has the same formation too as well. Just the rising channel. It has the same formation, and it's very important we understand how to take advantage of this. Okay. Okay. Let me see. ETH. Just everything on FTX. FTX is a very good platform which you should trade on. Okay, so okay, it's trying to load. Take a little bit of. Okay, let's just take my watch list here. So this is my watch list. Yeah, so this is ETH. So like I said, ETH has the same setup here. Yeah, as you can see, I have this setup before, and you can see it's going down to that particular level where we should pay close attention to. So this level here. Why we should pay close attention to this level here is because the body of the candlestick closed here and then continued moving back up. So I expect some kind of move here, and the next one, which is 2002.96, and we'll move down to 2159. So that's just one, and majorly pay close attention to this level too as well. So don't be surprised if anything happens. A lot of coins, if BTC drops drastically, a lot of coin will drop. Just expect that and be ready if you want to buy the dip. Okay, so let's look at yeah, I also I was looking at Luna too as well. Luna had a very good setup, the head and shoulder, bearish head and shoulder. I think let's use the 4 hours time frame. So the bearish head and shoulder, which actually played out yesterday. We going to drop that. Okay, so you can see it. We'll have our first target has been triggered already. So we're looking at price going as low as 46. Nothing much here, just that this is what is going to play out if BTC continues to go lower. So what about Solana? So Sol Prep. I think that I have a very good chart for you guys that want to buy Solana at a very lower price. Okay, wait for this to load a little bit. Okay, so it's a bit of time. Okay. Okay, yeah, so this is it. Yes, I have this nice chart here, and like I said, I love levels. I love levels so much. They give me that in and out, the important places to pay attention to, where people are looking at maybe, okay, something will happen around here. So, and I think for those that have been waiting for a very long time to get Solana at a very cheap price, I think this is the time for you to pay close attention to this. So if I'm to take the target from the top of the move, then I should be expecting price to go as low as this level. I don't want to drop this here, but I'm seeing a very good level here, but you should be expecting this major targets to the downside. We have this, and then we'll have this too as well. There's a whole lot of levels for coins which I'll be dropping very soon. I will not be able to do that on the video now. So if you haven't joined my Signal channel, you can check the description below and join. You get a whole lot of levels which you'll be expecting to buy back. You don't know what level to buy. Now I'll drop that for you guys to see and take advantage of it. So till next time I come your way again, I will be doing more videos. I just decided to stay off for some time because of health issue, but I'm back. I'm fully back now. So let's do some trading. Let's make some money while trading. Okay. So guys, happy trading and enjoy your Sunday.